Have you ever wanted to get a detailed look at your financial data outside of the Rocket Money app? Maybe you're a spreadsheet enthusiast who loves to crunch numbers, or perhaps you're getting ready for tax season and need a complete record of your transactions. If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to export your Rocket Money data as a CSV file. Now, before we jump in, it's important to know that currently, Rocket Money only supports exporting transaction data as a CSV file. There's no built-in option to export to a PDF, but don't worry, we'll cover a workaround for that later. The CSV file is perfect for importing into a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. Step 1. Accessing the Transactions page. First, you'll need to open the Rocket Money app or log into the web version on a desktop or laptop. Next, navigate to the Transactions page. This is where all your linked account activity is listed. Step 2. Initiating the export. Once you're on the Transactions page, look for the Export button. On the web version, it's a simple Export button in the upper right corner. If you're using the mobile app, you'll see a CSV download button in the same area. Step 3. Filtering your data. Before you export, you can apply filters to customize the data you receive. Want to see just your spending from a specific account or over a particular date range? You can do that here. This is a great way to get targeted reports. Once you've set your filters, click the Export button again to confirm. Step 4. Downloading the file. Rocket Money will then send an email to the address associated with your account. This email will contain a link to download your CSV file. A quick heads up, it's important to click this link on a desktop or laptop as the file cannot be downloaded to a mobile device. The link will redirect you to the Rocket Money website and prompt you to download the .csv file. Once you have the file, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet software. You'll find all the details of your transactions, including dates, merchants, categories, and amounts, ready for your analysis. As we mentioned, Rocket Money doesn't have a direct PDF export option. However, if you need a PDF copy, a simple workaround is to open your downloaded CSV file in a spreadsheet program, format it as you like, and then use your computer's Print to PDF function. This will create a clean PDF document of your transaction history. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Rocket Money data. This process gives you the flexibility to dive deep into your finances and use the data however you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.